Hi guys, today we're playing Crashmaster, level 1200. Alligator, alligator, alligator. Oh, good. Oh, a ring. Aww, I fell into the water. Wasted. Alligator, 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 alligator. Wait, I wasn't expecting that to happen. What? Okay, please, no. Oh, wait. I need to make it timing. I thought it was gonna be good. Wait, please make it. Oh, that was perfect. Then the other. Oh, make it perfect. Yes, I made it perfect. What did I get? UK car? No. Pink car? No. Tractor? Oh, I did get the UK car. I was so close to the pink one. Oh, spin. I got pink! Not really good, because this is a bad review, because it's thick and heavy. I'm rating this car a 4 out of 5. Not really good, but I like the car. It's more like Barbie red. So... cool. Wait, I got the... we never got the ship. Why can't we get the ship? Okay, this is a secret. Number 1, do not play the Crashmaster wrong. Number 2, do not mess up. Number 3, do not mess up your voice. Some people don't have their voice and it's okay. Because you can have 2 steps on me. Did I get the Lamborghini? Or is this a Cybertruck? What is this? I do not know anything about cars. Because I'm just a grade 3. Okay. What did I get? Aww. What am I gonna get? Stinking big mobile? I don't know. Oh, did you hear that? Whoa, his butt is shaking. Shake it. Tractor? Aww. I don't like tractor. Ooh, glass. Now that's what I'm... Oh. Bam. Whoa. Wait, what? Oh, I did get that kind of car because, you know. So I'm getting the black car. If there's no black car, okay, there's no black car. Oh, wait, still I don't see. Oh, I got the Cybertruck or Lamborghini, I don't know. Wait, I'm quite laggy. Okay, I'm not laggy. Okay. Oh, I want to make it perfect. Oh. I destroyed my own Cybertruck or Lamborghini. Just mind me saying that because I do not know. I'll just search it Google. Okay. Without anything. So, I wanted to get a monster truck. I never get the monster truck. Again. So, wait. So... Oh, please tell me something. Really? Something bad? Cause I got that black card? Sorry, you. Not really good. Oh! I hit the button. Give me my balls, man. Balls. Stop. Come on. I'm stuck. Sigma. Oh, hi. Oh, this is another pair. Fly balls. Sorry, balls. I'm the fastest in the world. Wait. Oh, Flash or Sonic? I don't know. I like Sonic. be good. Wait. Oh, I got that orange car. That's the husband of the pink car. Because they look fat, right? Yeah, they look identical. Oh, come on. Rizma. Sigma. Watch out. Sticking out your gut for the Rizma. You're so skibbity. What comes next? You're so Phantom Tax. I just wanna be your Sigma. Wait. That's the Christmas edition, but I do not know how to sing that. Last Christmas, I gave you my to the very next day. What am I supposed to? You raised me up. Okay, I'll just change it. You raised me up. I do not know. How do you sing that? Okay, I was skipping because I know that Phantom Tax Phantom. This day. Oh, come on! Oh, I'm lagged. Okay, I guess I just have to. Oh, smooth. My goal is not to damage the car. Okay, I damaged the bits. Wait, there wasn't even real damage. Go me! Okay. Yeah! Oh, I just damaged the car. Wait, am I supposed to damage the car at the end? Okay, Connie should say that. But I'm just gonna try. Oh, I got a black car. Wait, this is an easy round. I can't. I'll skip this round because this is too easy. This is gonna take for a while. That'll take for a while, but like Mr. Beast challenged his subscribers to do whatever. My goal is not to damage this car. Ooh, I can go to the grass. Oh no. Oh, why did I go fast? Okay, I'm gonna restart another round and I can end this video. Easy, I want something hard. Fat. Why are they giving me so easy ones? Let's give me a hard one because I want. Whoa, ASMR. Okay, I fell into the water. How deep is that water, anyways? Last time I sunk there to the bottom, but I don't know. Please be something hard. Not really hard. This is perfect. Oh. I'm not really ready for that alert. I just damaged the car. What is wrong? Why can't I just never damage the car? No! I cannot get the timing right. I'm trying to get this super cool, awesome. Okay, who cares? I'm just going in the water. How do you get the timing right? Okay, I'll just go like slow, fast. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, be slow, be slow. What? Whoa! Do not. Yes! My car's not damaged. Guys, I'm gonna end this video, so please like and subscribe. Bye!